Hello and welcome to KD Tech. We're back. We're reviewing again. On today's program, we're reviewing the CIT S012B Slim Form Factor PC case. Join us for the unboxing and the review. Roll that new title. Here we have it, the CIT S012B Slim PC case. It's arrived this morning, couldn't wait to get hold of it. Not even opened yet, you're going to join me with that one. Slim PC case, very nice. It even comes with its own free included power supply. How good that is, we'll find out. And here we have it, finally out of the box. The CIT S012B Slim case, including an upright standing leg, protected fairly straightforward with polystyrene on the sides, wrapped in heavy plastic of course as well. As mentioned, included in the case is a stand to have it standing upright if you wish. We'll move on to taking the polystyrene off first. Yep, that's gone. And that one, a bit tricky. Yep, got it. Wrapped in just a pretty normal cellophane bag. And then quite nicely protected as well. Got some removable plastic along the top. Give that a peel test. Yep, comes away nice and easy. Same for the front. And for the low part of the front as well. Yeah, okay, cool. So that's most of the plastic off. Hey, look at that, throwback to the past. We've even got a CD opening. Or for some of you modern kids, for an optical drive. There's the last bit of plastic off without dropping it. So yeah, the front itself looks nice and shiny. It's shiny black. I'll put it inside on the stand now, so it can stand up on itself. Kind of PC case you'd have down by the side of your TV, perhaps for an entertainment PC. You know, plug all your movies onto it and things like that. Let's give it a spin. Spin round. Let's have a look. Okay, so shiny glossy side panel, vented, not clear tempered or anything like that. More of a standard slim form factor case. Again, it is a small form factor case. You will only be able to get low profile graphics cards in there if that's what you want to put in. You could use a standalone and have a fully powered GPU, but I think you're going to too much trouble with that. Again, the other side also has a similar perforated side panel, so you can get plenty of airflow through. You've got USB and USB 3, and you've also got a front card reader. That's handy. Yeah, a nice little rubber cover for it. Would have been nice if there was a sliding plastic panel, but that's just my opinion. Looking at the top, again, it looks like you've got like quite a handy grab handle, so if you want to just like unplug it, pull it, move it around, yeah, you can do. with it being a slim form factor, you've got a power cable pass through down to the small form factor power supply that's tucked away behind the hard drive cage. Next up, let's have a little bit of a look on the inside. Turning it to the side now, I'm undoing the single thumb screw that holds the side panel on. A good slide and off it comes. It's heavy. For a CIT case, it is actually it's made using a thick gauge metal. So it's not quite as cheap as some of the CIT range, but it's quite substantial. Got all the extra hardware that comes with it, so motherboard screws, CIT warranty card, usual bump. All the cables, HDR, front panel audio, front panel USB, power supply, power buttons. Yep, pretty standard stuff. USB 3 connector. You can't take that side panel out, the other side panel off, which is kind of annoying, but I don't think you'd want to. So cable management, you'd have to be clever with cable management, clearly. Let's have a look and see if this drive cage is removable. Trusty screwdriver time. Just two Phillips screws on this one, just to release the hard drive cage and optical drive cage. Although, funnily enough, there is a mount on the bottom of the cage for SSD. So if you went SSD only, you could do. And there you go, look, two screws removed and it slides out with relative ease. So yeah, hard drive can go in there, CD can go into there, and also possibly another SSD mount. As included with this case, you also get a 300 watt power supply. It's not 80 plus rated in any way, and it's probably just a cheapo generic brand, but you know, it's a cheapo case. It's a cheaper case, so you know, it's a win. You're not going to be heavily gaming off this one, I doubt. It's probably going to be more of a media PC. You know, sat down by the side of your telly, you can put stash all your films on it, stash, you know, some light gaming, anything like that, really. See if I can take this one out. See if it's, see if I've got the ability to be able to put any other power supply in there. I'm going to be doing a build and probably a walkthrough kind of build in this case at some point, along with one of the other CIT cases that I have laying around. Get some more content out there for you guys. I know it's been a bit pick and mix here, but what with lockdown and everything, with the lockdowns here in the UK, I can only do the best I can. So both screws have been taken out from the power supply. Can't quite see how it unbolts. Let's see if I can have a closer look. No. I'll have a look at that. Probably have a look at that later. Again, when I do a build in this one. But now can't seem to see anything. Try tugging at it. quite see in there to see what the ratings are. Probably zoom in on that at some point. Specs will be down below in the description of this case anyway, so you can grab one for yourselves if you wish. No. Oh well. I'll put the drive cage in and put it all back together again. So there you go. All back together again. A quick spin round a few times. We can have another good look at it all the way around. You do get a couple of small fans included, and sadly no space for any 120mm fans. So I expect thermals to be a little bit on the high side, but again, I can't see you getting much out of this one as far as overall computing power, because it's again a slim form factor, included power supply that doesn't seem to want to come out. There are better ones on the market. So yeah, thank you for watching again. We are back. More content coming up very soon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please hit that bell icon. There'll be more coming out soon. Have a great day, guys. Thanks again for watching KD Tech. See you soon.